I'm Leo Pascua from Wahiawa United Methodist Church here on Oahu, and today we're going to be making oxtail soup, which is a very, very nice comfort food. So the first thing that goes in are your oxtails. All in all, I use about 5 pounds of oxtail. The next thing that can go in is your ginger. You're going to be using an enormous amount of this. You can start building your flavor base. And in your flavor base, you're going to have ginger, you're going to have star anise. And then the other thing you can have is black peppercorn. And this is basically a flavor infuser. So you can put all of your ingredients here into the infuser. Okay? Now, when you load your infuser, you're going to be using all of this. So the next ingredient is going to be garlic, part of the onion family. It can be tempered a little bit by freezing it and thawing it. This also, let's put it right in. Your next ingredient is going to be your salt component. 3 chicken bouillon cubes and 3 beef bouillon cubes. All goes in. Okay. The last component is going to be your liquid component. I like to use chicken stock. Cover. On the crock pot, you'll be setting it on high. And then you walk away. And you leave it there and you come back 12 hours later. 12 hours later, this is what it looks like. This is why I enjoy this recipe, because it's very, very little fuss. And this oxtail is now pretty much falling off the bone. Get my meat. Add a scoop of rice. Some people like to put peanuts there. So some people like to put in peanuts. My wife likes them. Some people like it because it adds a little bit of a crunch to this. If you put in peanuts, then put it in right before you serve it. If you put in peanuts at the beginning of the process, then by the time they come out, they're going to be chalky. Oxtail soup, 12 hours in a slow cooker.